Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Crystal Medical Life. Today we will discuss about the focal cortical dysplasia, which is a very important topic if you are reading the causes of the epilepsy. So it occur in the childhood and also occur in the adult. Uh, so FCD is a subtype of malformation of the cortical development that is largely intracortical and localized. ILAE gave the classification. What is the ILAE stand for? International League Against Epilepsy. So in 2022, one classification came, the latest one, to classify all these focal cortical dysplasia. So first we will start with the normal anatomy of cortex of the brain. So here you can see the sixth layer of the cortex from the outside to inside. First is the molecular layer, then the external granular layer, then external pyramidal layer, then internal granular layer, then internal pyramidal layer, then multiform layer. Okay, so now what happen is that these layers, all six layers are arranged horizontally, means like to the tangential to the surface of the cortex. Okay, so first we will discuss about the type 1 focal cortical dysplasia. It has three subtypes: type 1A, type 1B, and type 1C. So type 1A, in this the you can see the normal six layer are not arranged horizontally, but they are arranged radially. Here you can see. Okay, so first is the radial dyslamination. The word you should must remember, radial dyslamination, type 1A. Next is the tangential dyslamination. Here the order of the layers are not correct. So abnormality in the order of the neuron means layers. So it will disrupt the neural activity and it will cause epilepsy. So here you can see the tangential dyslamination. So it is a type 1B. The next is the type 1C. Here you can see the both radial as well as the tangential dyslamination in the image. So this is called as the type 1C focal cortical dysplasia, and this will lead to epilepsy also. The next is the type 2A focal cortical dysplasia. So here you should remember that abnormal cortical structure, so congenital developmental anomaly, abnormal cortical structure with the dysmorphic neurons inside it. So neuron must be dysmorphic to call this FCD as the 2A. Okay, so type 2A is the abnormal cortical structure with the dysmorphic neuron. Type 2B is nothing but type 2A plus balloon cell. So if you are seeing the balloon cell in the histopathological slide, which is the eosinophilic glass-like cytoplasm, okay, on the histopathology slide. So it is called as type 2B focal cortical dysplasia. Okay, the next is type 3. Type 3 is nothing but focal cortical dysplasia with any associated conditions. So there are major 4 conditions. So first one is the type 3A. So here you can see the focal cortical dysplasia with the hippocampal sclerosis. Next one is the type 3B focal cortical dysplasia, in which you can see the focal cortical dysplasia with the epilepsy related tumor. So tumor must be in the cortical area. Next is type 3C focal cortical dysplasia, in which focal cortical dysplasia with the vascular malformation in the brain. Next is type 3D focal cortical dysplasia. Here you can see the focal cortical dysplasia with trauma or ischemia or infection related condition which are associated with the this main condition. So these are all epileptogenic lesions, ischemia, trauma and infection. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, please like.